Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Mactan Cebu International Airport. Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Mactan Cebu in Lapu-Lapu City. Kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pangdaigdig ng Mactan Cebu sa lungsod ng Lapu-Lapu. And ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce that we have just landed 30 minutes out of schedule. On behalf of your flight crew Captain Ikalina and First Officer Raymundo, your cabin crew Keisha, Chris, and me, this is John thanking you for making Cebu Pacific Air your airline of choice.
Your safety is of primary importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off and you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead bins, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. May we remind guests with infants that the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Please be advised that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. You are prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings, and please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activities. Thank you. To facilitate our on-time departure, may we request that you cross your seatbelts as you leave your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, for guests with onward domestic or international connecting flights on Cebu Pacific, you are advised to proceed immediately to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall. For assistance, you may approach any of our ground personnel upon disembarkation.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please wait for the